I'm here with Rebecca Squires. Rebecca, you're with the city of Oak Island, right?
I am. I'm the Director of Parks and Recreation.
Okay. Give us a little history on this wonderful event.
Sure. So Beach Day was developed in 1999, and it's basically Oak Island's Founders Day. It celebrates the incorporation of Long Beach and Yopon Beach. And we come together as a community to celebrate. That's a great merger with beach games here. We have games in the park, fireworks later on at the pier, beach music concert, shad dancing concert,
Right.
So a little bit of everything for kids, for families, and for adults.
You said it, but I want our viewers to know Oak Island's a fairly young town.
It is.
Founded in 1999 by the consolidation of...
Long Beach and Yopon.
Right.
All right, Bocce
Wanted to get that
Ballers,
in there.
we are looking
and
for
this is
Thomas
actually our
and Crystal
20th anniversary.
Dickerson, as well as
Right,
Brittany
right.
and Daniel
What's it take to
Johnson.
organize a
Thomas,
huge
Crystal,
event like
Brittany
this?
and Daniel, please step on up for Bocce. Thank you.
It takes a lot of work, a lot of man hours. We're a small staff, but we come together as a town. Public Works helps.
Okay,
Police, fire, everybody pulls together and we put it together.
And you literally have several thousands of people here today.
Definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah. Rebecca, thanks for
So,
being with us,
you are
and thanks for
great.
what you do.
Well, thank you.
Thanks so much. All right, I'm here with Ashlyn Little. Ashlyn, you're a student at Clemson, right?
Yes, sir, going to be a junior.
All right, what brings you to Oak Island?
My family's had a house down here since '93.
Yeah, and you and three pretty good-looking guys over there are about to compete in the cornhole competition,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Are you good?
Decent, I'd say.
All right, okay.
Yes, sir.
What about the rest of the day?
I think we're going to go to the concerts a little later and then watch the fireworks tonight.
Thousands of people here.
Yes, sir.
It's a great crowd. Ashlyn, thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
We're here with Terry Richardson, one of the competitors in the volleyball. Terry, you having a good time?
Oh, we are. We're looking forward to this day so much. This is just going to be a good time for fun and friends, and we met some new people already. And
What,
we're looking forward
what
to
about
it.
all these people behind you here? To the left, you're from Boston. We
Yep.
learned that.
Boston.
You are from
Monroe.
Monroe,
Yes.
and you're getting ready to compete in the volleyball.
We're getting ready to compete. Going to have double elimination, and we're hoping that we'll be successful.
Are you guys good?
No, but we're going to have fun. We're going to have
Well,
fun.
have a great time and enjoy the entire day here at Oak Island.
Thanks
so
much. Nice to
Thank
meet
you, Terry.
Thank you.
We're here with Lindsay Reinerson. Did I say it right, Lindsay?
Yes, you did.
And you and your family are here from Raleigh.
Yes, sir.
Do you come often?
We do. We love coming down to the beach. It's always so much fun. There's so much beach here, so there's enough room for everybody, which is really nice.
What is it about Oak Island and coming here that means so much to you?
Well, I think that it's always got a lot of good people here, and it's always got a lot of good food, and we just love the beach. The kids love it.
Well, we're so glad you're here. What's in store for the rest of the day?
Sitting right here.
More time on the sand. Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
Lindsay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks. We're here with Donna Mooney Ham. Did I get it right, Donna?
You got it right.
Listen, you're here from here in local. You're a local.
I am a
That's what
local
I'm trying
person.
to say. What does it mean to Oak Island to have thousands of people come out on this great day?
Well, it's a beautiful day. It's a big draw to the beach for people to participate in all types of activities and just have good family fun.
Well, there must be 1,000 or more people here on the beach, and then inland, just across the way, are
Yeah.
dozens of other activities.
Yes, there is. There's so much going on from this end of the beach all the way down to the pier.
Yeah. So you're in for a great day, right?
I am. We're waiting for our turn at bocce.
Oh, you're a competitor.
I am a competitor with my buddy Kenny. We're gonna take it home today.
Well, we wish you and Kenny the very best. Have a great
Thanks.
time. Thank you so
very
much.
much.